Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today I will be explaining Data Raptor Extract output mapping scenarios when you are extracting multiple objects. Let's get started. Yeah, see in my org I'm having three objects. One is authors, another one is books, and another one is students. So all these three objects will have two records. In author we have author 1, author 2. In books we have two books, velocity omniscripts. And students, we have two students, Lohit, Vikshita. Now let us assume I want to, yeah, before that I have created one data raptor extract and just have queried three objects here. So books where ID not equal to velocity dot null, students where ID not equal to null, authors. Now let us assume go to output. Now I want data. I want data from all three objects. So let us assume I want data in this format. Here I want book name, student name, author name. Now I want data, output data in this format. Let's get, I will add mappings for the same. JSON path, author name goes to author name. Another one, book's name goes to book name. And another one is student name. Student name goes to student name. Student name. So now I'm querying three objects, and in the output I want three object names. So in this scenario, let us assume how many records it will print. Can you guess? In each table I'm having two records. Let us assume from author 1. So in this scenario it will do Cartesian, like control Z. From first table author 1, it will take author 1 and combine with remaining records. So how many scenarios it will come? So it will take from table 1 author 1, then Omniscript author 1, Omniscript, this Omniscript with Vikshita. This is one record. Similarly, again author 1 record. Author 1, this time Omniscript. This Omniscript with Lohit now. It will take from first record, first object record, author 1, then it will combine with remaining two records. Author 1, Omniscript Vikshita, author 1, Omniscript Lohit. After that, author 1, velocity Vikshita, author 1, velocity Lohit. See, for each from first object, for each record of first object, we will get 4 records. Similarly, for author 2, for this record, author 2, Omniscript Vikshita, author 2, Omniscript Lohit. This is one record. After that, author 2, velocity Vikshita, author 2, velocity Lohit. Like this, it will give all record data. So in overall, we will get 8 records. Let's see. Options preview. Now execute. So yeah, let's take Let's see. Here, from first record of author object, it is combining remaining records of remaining two objects. Author one, from author one, Lohit velocity. Again, from author one, Vikshta velocity. Again, author one, Lohit Omniscript. Lohit Omniscript Vikshta. See, we have total eight records. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the outcome of this query is when you are extracting multiple records and in the output, you are specifying all objects records in the plain format, plain in the without any hierarchy. So from all objects name I'm printing here without any hierarchy. In that case, it will do Cartesian. So from first object, it will take one record and the remaining objects, it will combine. Let us assume in the output, I don't want in the plain structure, plain hierarchy. Let us assume author name. All authors should go to different node called authors. Similarly, all records from books object should go to books node. Similarly, all records from student object should go under student node. Yeah, now in this scenario, can you guess how many records will come in the output? How many records will come? We will have 3 entries. So option ultimately we'll get an array of records here. So here I'm segregating author records should go to one node called author. So authors. Let's execute review. So in this case, we have 3 records like this. So authors, it is in object format, not array format. So all records from author objects is coming under author node. Similarly, all records from student object is coming under student node. Similarly, books records coming under books node. So this is one scenario. You are segregating records from each object into different its indivisible nodes, then we will get a lesser record compared to previous scenario. Yeah. And let us see one more scenario. Now I want student records. I don't want student records should go into different node. I want these records in the plain structure format. Now student name. Can you guess for in this scenario how many records will come? So student records, I'm not putting any separate node. Now in this scenario, for each student record, remaining two objects will come. All records of remaining two objects will come as it is. Let's preview it. Now see, for the scenario how records came. So what I specified here, I want student records without any parent node, but remaining two objects I'm specifying one parent node. So at that time, total two rows, two records will be outputted. In the two records, author and books, all rows will be returned. If see here, we have array format now. This is one record. This is another record. Only two records. Each record for student name Lohit, another one student name Vikshita. For each record, now we are getting all records from other two objects. For student name Lohit, author C, you got all two records from author object. Similarly, books, you got all records from book object. These two, so here, these two got in one object format. In the object, this is the node, this is the node, and student name came here. Then, now let us assume one more scenario. Now I don't want books should go to books node. Instead, I want plain format, plain structure. Now you can guess how many records will show in the final output. Now here I'm specifying both books and student records should come in the plain format, plain structure formats. Now in that case, books and students. Books and students. Now it will do again Cartesian of these two objects. Omniscript Vikshita, Omniscript Lohit, velocity Vikshita, velocity Lohit. Total 4 records we will get. For these 4 records, we will get author's complete details. Let's see, execute. Now we all have total 4 records. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 records. Because here I'm specifying student and books records in. I'm combining records from these two tables. Combining in the sense I'm not specifying any parent node for these two objects. So in that case, it will give Cartesian. So in the first record, let's see. Book name velocity, student name Lohit. Lohit velocity. For this combination, we got all records from author object. Similarly, for different combination, again we got all records from author object. Like this, it will work when you are querying multiple objects and you are outputting. When you are querying multiple objects, based on the root name here, based on the parent node, the number of records can vary. So I can see in projects we are querying more than 6, 7 objects, and we are specifying different nodes here. At that time, if you don't have this much understanding, easily you will get confusion. Which records, where it is going, why these many records returned. Yeah. So this is the observation I have found. So it will help for you guys to understand when you are querying multiple objects with different parent nodes in the output section. Yeah, let's practice. You can practice. Yeah, thanks for watching. Next time I will come with different video. Thank you.